Special product recommendation for you guys. This is amazing. I've used a lot of different products over the years to try and clean off headlights that become faded and cloudy over time from sitting out in the sun. And this one here I've cleaned several times and it looks better than it did, but it's not great. The one on the other side, on the passenger side, was actually a little bit worse than this one. You're not going to believe how it looks now. Look at that. Crystal clear and shiny. I cannot believe how good this stuff works.
Which stuff was it?
It's Plast-X. Meguiar's Plast-X. Alright, one more round of polishing here. Look at the glitter and shine of that glass. It looks almost brand new from the factory. And this side that I just showed you a few seconds ago, look at how nice that is now too. Unbelievable. Now we're going to do a second car here for you. 2010 Subaru. You can see how much shinier that one is. It reflects the light so much better. It's actually much, much clearer than it was before. And this one here, we'll try and show you how foggy it is right now. And we'll watch him actually do it. Alright, I just did this one on the Mariner here. And it's the same as this one right here. Hang on, let me get a shady shot of how foggy it looks. And I've actually cleaned this particular light several times since we've had this car. I think we've had this car about 7 years. And it's never came out as good as this. Just look at how clean and shiny that is now. I mean, clearly it's not brand new, but it is so much better than it was before. I highly recommend this product. And it's on sale right now on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description for you in case you're interested. Here's the end result on this vehicle. And I have to say, I am very pleased with the whole process and how these turned out and the relatively low cost of this cleaner fluid. We used a little polishing buffer on the green car just to see how that would work, and it was sped up the process a little bit. I don't think it turned out any better, but it was a little faster. But honestly, it only takes about 5 minutes per side to get this done and make your car look great.